I want to talk to you a little bit about practice. It's not a very popular word, but I want to give you a few key ideas about practice. The first thing is to remember that wood carving is a skill. It's not a magic, it's not a mystery, it's a skill, and as such, you can learn it. I'm not talking about the artistry and designs and so on, but to be able to carve wood really well and carve what you want, think of it as a skill that you're going to learn. The second point is about how the brain likes to learn things, how it learns skills, or it learns anything. It likes to do it in small chunks, repeated often. That's the way the brain likes to work. So you need to set yourself up in a way that you can practice for short periods of time, repeated continually, regularly, rather than a big chunk and then having a long time in between. And as you practice like this, also see it as a bit of a journey. You're here, you want to be over there, and you're going to go step by step, little steps, regular steps. And what you do is you increase the challenges each time. So that's really the sort of method of practicing. Small steps and repeated often. So this brings me to my next point, which is about setting yourself up. What I mean by that is to create the conditions that lead to the greater success. In other words, you want to set up an environment where you're carving that you really want to be. It wants to be friendly, it wants to be warm, it wants to be encouraging, and a place you want to go. When it comes to being there, you've got to think about yourself as well. In other words, you want to be relaxed. You don't want to start carving when you're stressed. You want to be feeling well. You want to generally have looked after yourself and enjoy this process of carving, this process of learning this skill. I often have students coming to me and saying they'd like to learn to carve, but they don't feel they're very talented. But what I'm saying is that wood carving is a skill and is learnable in the right sort of way, and that no matter how much talent you feel you have or you haven't, practice doing it will take you a very long way.